Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Calculus problems like this one look intimidating, but you can solve them in seconds by analyzing derivative signs and identifying local extrema with this quick method.
First, look at the signs of the derivative. The function decreases before x equals 2, stays flat at 2, and continues to decrease until x equals 4. You got this. At x equals 4, the derivative changes from negative to positive. This sign change confirms a local minimum exists at x equals 4, while x equals 2 is just a plateau. Since there is no sign change at x equals 2, it is not an extremum. Thus, only the statement claiming a local minimum at x equals 4 is necessarily true. Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Don't skip plateaus or assume. Always verify the sign and confirm your local extrema points.